Pag pupunta ka ng Baguio, hindi pwedeng palagpasin tikman ang strawberry shortcake ng Viscos. That's why sa first night pa lang namin ng Baguio, nagpunta na kami ng Viscos dito sa SM Baguio, lower ground floor lang. And eto yung mga menu nila, 15 minutes waiting for serving, strawberry shortcake, not too sweet, very fresh, and still crunchy yung strawberries. Pero hindi siya yung type ng melts in your mouth. Nachos na 10 out of 10 for me, nasarapan ako, kaya i-consume nyo rin when it's served. Chicken Caesar salad, light taste pero ang perfect ng combination ng mga lettuce with crispy chicken na unjuicy and flavorful inside. Kahit eto lang sold na ako. Parmesan crusted fish fillet served with rice, and if you want mashed potato, mag-a-add ka lang ng 40 pesos. Flaky and crispy, masarap dito sa dipping sauce niya. Nag-enjoy din ako dito dahil ang daming veggies sa sides. Salmon fillet is 6 out of 10 according sa kasama ko. Nag-banana fruit shake din ako and it was good. The next day, bumalik kami to eat again strawberry shortcake. Nag-add din kami ng 4 cheese pizza na 10 out of 10. Yes, o orderin ulit. Half and half pasta, penny in a red and white sauce with mushroom and mozzarella on top. Tender yung penny, coated in a creamy tomato-based sauce. Sarap din ng Viscos lemon iced tea nila. Overall experience namin is 8 out of 10. Yes, babalikan pa naman kung magbabagyo ulit kami. Ayun lang, bye!